everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you oats porridge. Now let us see the ingredients required for oats porridge. I've taken half the katori roasted oats. I've roasted them. Then I have taken half katori sugar, some manukas. Then this is 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder with some strands of saffron. Then this is 300 ml milk and some ghee. Now I will switch on the gas. I will keep it to the medium flame. I will put this roasted oats here, and to it I will add milk, little at a time, otherwise it will come out, it will spill out. So little milk at a time. All 300 ml milk is to be poured. Now when this is getting reduced, at this point I will be adding green cardamom powder with some strands of saffron, and I will also add manukas, and I will now keep the flame of the gas on high, and I will keep stirring it. And at this point also I will add sugar, and I will allow it to cook. See, now I have reduced this porridge so much. Now I have to tell you, suppose if you are eating less of sugar, then you can reduce the quantity of sugar. I have taken half the katori, you can reduce it, or you can use honey, or say kakvi, or say jaggery, or say dry date powder. Dry date powder also will work into this porridge. It's not necessary that you have to use sugar only. Now in order to enhance the taste of this porridge, I am adding 1 spoon of kaju powder. 1 spoon of kaju powder, and I'll be adding this spoon 1 spoon of pure ghee in order to enhance the taste of this porridge. Remember, I have added this 1 spoon of cashew powder and 1 spoon of ghee to the porridge, and I am mixing it. This will enhance its taste. Now I will turn off the gas, and it's now time for me to serve it. See, the color of my porridge has come so nice because of the saffron strands. This is how my porridge look like, oat porridge. If you like my recipe, kindly like and subscribe my video, my channel, and share this video maximum to maximum in your friend circle. Please give your suggestions and comments in the comment box. Thank you.